the valve cover gasket needs changed anyways. So let's try and figure out what that noise is. I'm hoping it's a rocker arm. I'm hoping. And if not, it's Rodney. And LS swap. Found one of the problems. I don't know how this thing ran. So your rocker arms obviously are these, right? This is supposed to press down whenever it goes over the valve, and they are all hard as a rock. And you can actually see this one's not bad. This one started to melt. This one is got a little D10 in it, and then this one got hot too. I have no idea how this thing ran. It ran like crap, but it drove perfectly fine. I mean, it didn't make any noises. It just sounded like crap because there's no exhaust on it. I don't know how this ran. So I have to order 4 exhausts, rocker arms, and then also, I think, yeah, there's 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 8 intakes, so top end needs to be built. Valves look fine. I mean, I can't tell, but they're fine. It's a Nissan. If it wasn't fine, it would be it wouldn't run. Look how good she looks. Oof. So yeah, that is how you diagnose a bad rocker arm in a 240. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. You know what to do. See you next time.